Okay, I'm just going to put some paint into my flip cup and my split cup, and then I'm just going to pour ribbons over that because I really don't like it. So I'm just putting some paint into here. The split cup I also bought off Amazon. Wasn't expensive. So you get, you know, some have 2 compartments, some have 3 compartments. This particular one has 1, 2, 4 compartments. So you can put 4 colors. But sometimes what I do is I put 4 colors at the bottom, and then I put a different 4 colors on top of those 4 colors. So I put 8 colors in here sometimes. So yeah, why not? Okay, I've got some colors in there now, and we're just going to pour ribbons over this. Can you still see what is going on? Right, let's just pour. This is it's a very bendy cup, but it doesn't matter. Okay, that should be quite interesting. Okay, let's tilt that out. That's very bright, isn't it? That's actually quite cool. There we go. Oh, that's a very nice, bright little painting. There's metallics in there too, so when it dries it'll have a nice shimmer to it, which will be nice. And then, you know, you can put a gloss varnish over the top. It'll really make it very, very bright. So that is very cool. Now, something that you could do, I just want to see what I can use. Hold on a sec. I just got a toothpick. I found a toothpick. So, what you could do, I want to bring it so that you can see what I'm doing nicely. You could now go around and you could make swirlies like that, just to add a little bit of something. I think this toothpick's a little bit thin. Okay, I've got my dotting tool that I do my mandalas with. Yeah, so you can now, oh, that's better. Just add swirlies in. It just adds a little bit of a something to it. I think that's okay. Doesn't have to be swirlies, you can just put lines, you know. I don't want to do too much, but I think that's okay. That's fun. Okay, well, I actually like that. That's actually quite cool. Look at that. What do you think? It's definitely different, isn't it? Definitely different. And easy to do, not difficult at all. So there we go. Just a quick little painting today. Yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. I'll be back during the week. I'll do other paintings during the week. Like I said, I am on annual leave now, so I'm going to be doing a lot of paintings during the week. So be sure to join me next time as we do some more beautiful paintings together. See you next time, everyone. Bye.